What's up, y'all? Jason at Breakpoint. Today, we're going to teach you guys how to make pizza dough. Homemade at your house, ready to go. Hey, what's up, guys? Jason at Breakpoint. Today, we're making pizza dough at home, okay? Also, in the description below, we'll have a link to the pizza sauce that you can make also at home, okay? So, today we got some bread flour. We got some wheat flour. This is high gluten flour that you can make homemade bread with, and you can make pizza with, okay? So you want to make sure you use something that's got high gluten. I have some whole wheat flour here, and that will be listed in the description below also, but you want to sift the flour, the whole wheat flour, and catch all those grains, and you want to not make sure that you mix that fully incorporated into this flour because it will destroy the pizza dough, okay? So, in here we have our yeast, we have our salt, we have our sugar, okay, and the ingredients amounts will be listed in the description below as well, okay. I've already got my flour and my wheat flour that's been sifted inside of this bowl. I'm going to add my water. It's only about 9 ounces of water or so. And we're going to mix that. We're going to just give this a good mix. And then we're going to let this sit for 20 minutes. Okay. We're going to cover it, let it sit, let it get nice and happy. And when it's done, we'll be right back, okay? Okay, guys, we're back. It's been about 20 minutes or so, and our dough has been resting. So I have my yeast here and dry ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and incorporate that. We're getting the gluten a head start. That's all we're doing, okay? So all the dry ingredients will be listed in the description below, okay? And as you can see, I just kind of mixed them all. Now, you can just do the yeast first, stir it in, put in the sugar next. I'm going to just do it all at once. Some people swear on both ways. So I'm just going to do what I got to do. I'm going to mix this up. We're just going to get in there. At this point, the dough is pretty sticky. Give it a good mix. Get all those ingredients in there. Okay. I'm just going to fold it. Keep folding it. Keep folding it. Move it around. You can see how the dough is. It's sticky, but it's still coming off the sides. All right. It's a little wet, but it's not super wet. And that's fine. As we know, a little yeast goes a long way. So we're going to let it rest again for 3 hours after we're done mixing. I want to make sure this is good and mixed. You don't want to over mix it because you don't want it to get tough. All right. So yeah, it's starting to feel pretty good. All right. I'm just gonna kind of form a little ball like this. All right, guys. In 3 hours, we'll be back. Peace out. All right, guys, we're back. So the dough has been resting. It is more than double in size. You can see it there. Have a little olive oil on hand. Get your hand kind of greased up a little bit, and then we're going to go in. You can see how, I want you to see how soft this dough is. Look at that. It's so airy, so soft. It's not sticking to the sides anymore. So I'm going to fold this about 15 times. Just going to take the end, boom, bring it in, bring it into the middle, keep on going around. Then, once we're done with this, we're going to wrap it up in a ball and we're going to put it in the refrigerator. And we're going to let it sit there overnight. If you really want the best dough, let it sit there for 3 days. That's up to you. And we're going to cut this up in half, and we're going to make one pizza, and then we're going to make some calzones with the other half. So, and you can see there she is. And so I'm just going to put this in the fridge. I'm going to cover it with some saran wrap, and I'm going to put it in the fridge, and then we'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys. So this is our end product here for our pizza dough, and it's really cold. It just came out of the refrigerator still, but if you can see, I can pull it. It's not tearing apart. Stretching out really nice. So only thing that's left to do is roll it in the shape that you want, either a circle, roll it out, or you can make a square. It doesn't matter what you make, a star. It doesn't matter what you want to do with it. And then just add on your sauce and your toppings, and you're good to go. So let us know how you liked it. Give it a try. It's fun to do. And as always, enjoy and eat up.